just woke up and my hair is a mess, so I'm gonna wash up. But I just got a message that my package came in. Oh yeah. Oh man, this thing is heavy, dude. Please excuse the mess. You guys probably see I've changed the layout of my room a bit. So now my guitars are over here, and then I've moved my PC over there next to my bed. Not a bad sort of layout. I mess with it, but I'm excited for this guy right here. I'll be honest, I couldn't do anything for the past couple days because I was thinking about this guy right here. Oh, I'll probably remove the label. What? Doesn't even matter. You guys see that? Can you guys see the box? Can you guys see me? This old one that I have. Oh my god, is it slow? Yo, I gotta show you guys, man. I gotta show you guys, man. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. All right, I'm gonna do a quick run through. I don't think I can build this today. I'm not sure if I have time, but let's have a look. This is the power supply that I got, 750 watts. This was 99 bucks, so that was pretty good. This is my motherboard that I got, B650M. It was cheaper. I could have got the regular one, but I decided to get the smaller one because it was a little cheaper. My RAM, DDR5, 6000 megahertz, I think. Yep. Editing Vince here. I don't know why I showed the RAM and said everything but the storage. It was 32 gigs of RAM, by the way. I decided to go for a white theme this time because obviously my old one was black. So I thought I'd just switch it up a little. This guy right here, I didn't necessarily need this. I was like, you know, I always wanted this cooler because it looked sick. I was like, why not? Costed an extra 100, but it is what it is, man. This is the CPU, the AMD Ryzen 5 9600X. I watched a YouTube video. It said it paired with my graphics card pretty well. And speaking of graphics card, boy oh boy, this is the AMD Radeon RX 9070. And finally, my SSD, not too bad, 2 terabytes. That is all my parts, as you guys can see. And I think I'll probably buy a hard drive later on when I get more money. I'm excited to see where this PC takes me. And if you guys are wondering, oh, where's the case? Where's the case? Back. This guy said it would come on the 8th. Turns out, it came on the 3rd. So, cheeky 5 days early. Absolutely beautiful cake. That's pretty much it for this video. You know what? To keep this video a little longer, I'm gonna just show you guys my current setup here. So, I also bought this new monitor, and then this is my old monitor. So I just made it my second one. Keyboard, mouse pad that I got in Japan. Very nice. Very nice. I love this mouse pad. This is my old PC. This thing is 6 years old. Definitely time to upgrade. Just so you know how slow it's gone, these past 2 months, I cannot run League. So you already know. What's up with this case, man? I can't clean it. Like, this glass panel doesn't come off. That's pretty much it then. Anyways, see y'all in the next one. I'm excited to build this.